Hello friends. So I saw many of you are having a trouble in writing the perfect prompt to get the desired video from your AI models. So what I did, I found a perfect tool where you just need to upload your own model image and also the viral trending video and just hit click and it recreates the entire video in few minutes with your model and your product. So without waiting, let's go to the tools and see how to use it. So first, you have to go to the tools website. The website link you can find in the description. This tool is famous for e-commerce photography and videography, and it's an e-commerce marketing tool. So first, here you can see that we have a lot of features. Avatar, product avatar, viral video agent, avatar marketing video, product any shoot, and many more. So I have made tutorials on some of them very famous features. You can check out all the videos thumbnail on the screen and you can find all the video link from the description. In today's video, we will see TopView Video Agent. They recently launched this feature and it's making a lot of buzz around. So let's check that out. So in our first use case, let's use a viral trending ad video as our reference and put our own image and product image and recreate the same video for our own use. Let's see how to do it. Again, go to the tools website. The link you can find in the description. Here, try video agent, which is shown on the screen. You can also click viral video agent down here. Both are the same. You can click on any of them. Then the process is the same. You have to click on upload image button and upload your product image. Then click on reference button and upload your reference video. And as soon as you upload, an automatic prompt will appear, which you can edit if needed. Then you have to select the aspect ratio and finally click arrow. In few minutes, your product video will be ready. And here is our final result. You can see and compare the reference video which is created by AI and our original
Hair
reference
Milk by
video.
the Hair Story. Open the nourishment.
Looks really cool and awesome, right?
Yes.
So I cannot resist and I'm just trying and thinking to try one more use case. So just take a look at the screen. Here in the center, you can see the Sora 2 TopView Video Agent box. Click on Try Video Agent. As soon as you click, a box appears saying recreate viral video for your product, which looks like a chat box. Here in the center, you will get a box where you have to upload your own product image and idea. Or there is also another option, a reference video, where you can upload the content or the video that you want to recreate. So there are two options. Now we'll go with the first one. Taking this shampoo bottle, it's a kind of a hair milk shampoo, and I'm using this image and I want to create a production ready high quality video ads. So I have uploaded everything. After this, you have to select the aspect ratio. Then click on arrow button and in few minutes it will analyze your product and description. And after a few minutes, we can see our final result. And just wow, I can't believe this was AI. Definitely, AI has come a long way. Now our video is ready, and if you want to make any kind of changes, you can make it from here. On the left side, there is a chat panel. This one will analyze your product, description, etc. And you can see a video summary, storyboard, etc. And you can change any of them from here. It will ask if everything is okay, and once you approve, it will start the next step. Now here is the special thing. On the left side, there is a history store, which is really good. Now, my channel supports more than 24 languages. So if you are not comfortable with English, change the language after going to settings, audio track, and choose the language you are comfortable with.
यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि पीटर बॉक्स, बोतल, फूड पैकेजिंग, पाउच, कैन, जार और कई अन्य श्रेणियों में व्यवस्थित मॉकअप प्रदान करता है।
Now enjoy our videos and learn AI with me in your native language. So I cannot resist and I'm just trying and thinking to try one more use case. So just take a look at the screen and see the result. I'm just trying one more use case. And click on arrow button. Okay, so within minutes we can see our final result. And wow, just look at the screen.
Crafted for precision, premium optics, seamless control, designed for professionals. Create without limits.
So this was TopView Video Agent powered by OpenAI Sora 2. I hope this video was useful to you and you learned something new. And if you are thinking I am bringing new AI, new skill fast enough to you and creating useful videos, then please hit that like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with your marketing friends. See you in the next one.